System update for Monday, May 13th. Oh, the body is down very sick. Not doing good at all. Got a nasty gut infection, and I think we've hit the flu as well. Been on antibiotics for a while for the gut infection, and that's really getting tiring. Yesterday, our previous host was triggered forward by Mother's Day issues and was not doing well, and sewer slides was a very close possibility. Thankfully, she actually reached out to a friend of ours, and I got switched back to front, so there's that. We have therapy today, and even though we're sick and really don't feel like it, we feel that we have to have therapy today because of yesterday's situation. So we are just letting people know that, system update, that sort of thing. Apologies and trigger warnings and all of that. But, yeah, we're not doing good. Love to everybody. Take care.